The price of property in Nairobi increased by 3% during the last 3 months, lifted by higher demand for detached houses that are in the short supply. This is according to the latest House Property Index, which indicates demand for detached houses has increased 9 times over the last 2 decades.
The last 3 months of last year, there was a shift in demand for houses that saw an increase in demand for detached houses. Sakina Hassan Ali, head of development consulting and research at House Consult, says over the last 2 decades, we have seen the property market composition significantly change, whereas slightly more than half of the advertised properties were detached houses in 2001. Today, they make up around 9.5% of the market, and this limited supply of units is sustaining buyer demand and prices. In the latest report by House Consult, asking prices across all properties moderately increased by 3% over the last 3 months of last year and 3.1% over the year. Rental apartment prices went up by 5.5% in Ngong, resulting in a 3.5% increase on returns, while rental prices for houses in Ruiru went up by 14%. The report indicates that Kilimani suburb, which has traditionally been a high-end family-oriented residential area with ample apartments, is now attracting investors, putting highly dense units, including studio apartments. House Consult notes that the Kilimani suburb continues to cool as investors go slow on the area due to uncertainty on whether the present infrastructure will support the new wave of developments the area is now attracting, thus weakening its appeal. The report indicates that Spring Valley was the best performing suburb, with land prices rising 5.6%, while Kisarian topped the towns with land prices increasing by 5.2%. Donholm saw prices drop by 2.7% over the quarter, while in the towns of Limuru saw prices reduced by 2.34%. Regina Manyara reporting for Prime Edition.